Hello Gucci's team, and hope everyone has been doing great. Today I'm going to share with you how I was able to achieve this milestone. I did some cooking for a family gathering, and yeah, it was a lot, but honestly I didn't know how I was able to get all of this done in a few. So if you want to know how to cook in bulk and be fast about it, please watch this video to the end. Making my jollof rice stew. I've gone in with oil, I've gone in with garlic. So we are going to be using derika for this jollof rice recipe, the big derika. So guys, some calls were coming in and I didn't show you when I added my tin tomato paste. I allowed it to toast for about 10 minutes. I had gone in with my onion powder, my garlic powder, my bay leaf, my onion flakes, my curry, my thyme, everything is cooking in. So guys, I'm just going to blend until everything is ready. I'll add it into the stew and allow it to cook properly, and here we go. Here are the fresh peppers. Guys, I'm running. It's raining here and this food is for today's occasion. You see what I'm saying? Stay tuned and enjoy. Just mix everything together and make sure it is well incorporated, and all you want to do is to allow it to cook until it is properly done. How do you know it is properly done? When you see your little drop of oil on top of your stew settling on top and the tomatoes is settling in, that is how you know that your tomato is ready. And then you add everything in. If you want to add more seasoning, you go ahead, adjust to your taste. And yeah, the stew is ready. Jollof rice is going to be ready in a jiffy. So guys, 25 minutes later, our stew is ready. As you can see, the stew is settling on top, and this shows you that your jollof rice stew base is ready. All you want to do right now is add your rice and let it cook. So here, I'm going to be adding the rice. Add your rice gently, mix everything up very well, cover it up. Allow your rice to cool, come back to check. If you want to add parchment paper just to cover it properly, that's fine. All right. Covering with parchment paper makes it cook evenly. Mix well until it is well incorporated. I'm going to cover it up and allow it to come to a cook. Let's check this rice. We are done anyways. I went in with onion, I went in with butter, and that is it. Let's check if it's cooked and let's stir it out. Stir your rice out and make sure it is properly cooked. If it's not, cover it up and allow it to keep cooking. Parchment paper will help your rice to cook evenly well. So all you need to do is just give it a little bit of time and allow everything to cook nicely. And afterwards, our rice is cooked. It doesn't take a lot of time. Jollof rice is very beautiful, and you will always see this in every African occasion, no matter what. Even if there's fried rice, there's going to be jollof rice. Guys, look at how delicious this rice came out. Very delicious. I hope you give this a try for your family occasion, for your friends, for your loved ones, for your family. Guys, we are running out of time. Or is it time running after us? Which one? Let me know in that comment section. This rice came out very delicious, guys. Like, oh my goodness. I feel so happy and confident anytime I make good food for family, friends, and loved ones. Try this and let me know what you think on the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't. Give it a massive like. Share. Please give my videos massive thumbs up. I do a lot just to present this content and I need all the likes. Don't watch my videos without giving it a like. This will help me a lot. I'm very grateful to each and every one of you. Guys, this is beautiful. This is well grilled and delicious. This is the first tray. See how nice it all look. It came out very beautiful. Look at that, guys. Let me know how you love to make your chicken or turkey. So this is how you want to go about your turkey for party. It grilled really nice. Look at it. Everything came out so good. Look at how nice. So guys, drop in the comment section if you want to know how I went about this turkey. For today's occasion, we are going to be enjoying this jollof rice with turkey, and I hope you enjoy this video. And if you did, give it a massive like, thumbs up, and share to your family. Yeah, share to your family, friends, and loved ones. It's going to be very helpful, trust me. Look at how delicious this rice is looking. Look at how beautiful. Yeah, you want to do this for your friends. You want to do this for your loved ones. I hope you have loved this video. Guys, I just want to go on and on. Thank you all so very much. I appreciate you all. I love you, Gucci's team, for always coming back to watch my videos. Ask questions if you have any question in the comment section.